Hello, today we will guide you through how to add recurring expenses in Boldin. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a recurring expense so it's reflected accurately in your plan. Recurring expenses are things like rent, subscriptions, insurance premiums, or any cost that repeats over time. Setting them up correctly helps your projections stay realistic. Begin on the Boldin overview page of the planner dashboard. This is your home base where you can quickly jump into the areas that shape your financial plan. If you're not already there, navigate to the planner dashboard in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Next, open the main navigation by clicking the three horizontal lines at the top left. This expands the sidebar so you can see the planning sections available to you. If your screen is small, this menu might be collapsed by default, so opening it ensures you can find the right option. From the expanded menu, choose My Plan. This takes you into the core of your plan setup, where income, expenses, assets, and goals live. We'll stay focused on expenses for this tutorial. Inside My Plan, select Expenses and Healthcare. This section collects everything you spend on a recurring or one-time basis, from everyday bills to healthcare costs. Keeping this area current is key to a plan you can trust. Look for the recurring drop-down at the top of the expenses view. Click it to make sure you're viewing or adding items in the recurring category. This helps keep ongoing costs separate from one-time purchases and makes your reports cleaner. Now click. Add an expense to create a new entry. This opens a form where you'll define the details for the recurring item you want to track. Take a moment to think about how you'll name and time this expense so it lines up with the rest of your plan. Enter a clear label. Use a short descriptive name you'll recognize later, such as internet, streaming service, or car insurance. Consistent labels make it easier to review and update your plan over time. Enter the amount for this expense. Type the cost you expect to pay each period as it applies in this view. If the cost varies a little month to month, use an average that reflects what you typically pay. Choose your start age. Set the age at which this expense should begin counting in your plan. If it's already active, use your current age. If it's future dated, pick the age when it will start. Choose your stop age. Set the age when this expense ends. For items that will eventually drop off, like a loan or temporary subscription, choose the age it stops. Finally, click Save. Your recurring expense will appear in the list and be included in your projections. You can return here anytime to adjust the label, amount, or timing as your situation changes.